Think you need thousands of dollars to get rich? What if I told you that one small financial decision today could completely change your future? Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. One of the biggest money myths in the world is that you need a lot of money to start building wealth. Because of this belief, millions of people never begin. They keep waiting for the perfect time. They say things like, I'll start investing when I have more money, or, I'll start saving when I earn more. But here's the truth. Most wealthy people didn't start with thousands of dollars. They started with a decision. Think about it. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, and millionaire was once a beginner. At some point, they had limited money, limited knowledge, and plenty of doubts. The difference is that they didn't wait for perfect conditions. They started anyway. Imagine two people. The first person decides to wait. They keep saying they need more money before they can begin. 1 year passes, then another, and nothing changes. The second person starts today with just a small amount of money. They read books about finance. They learn how investing works. They save a little every month. They focus on improving their money habits. Now ask yourself, who is more likely to become wealthy? The answer is the second person. Because wealth is not only about money. It's about behavior. It's about discipline. It's about taking action while everyone else is waiting. Most people underestimate the power of small beginnings. They think success happens overnight. In reality, wealth is usually built one smart decision at a time. Learning one new skill can increase your income opportunities. Saving even a small amount consistently can teach you financial discipline. Reading one great book about money can completely change how you think about your future. Small actions may look insignificant today, but over time they create extraordinary results. The biggest mistake people make is believing they need a huge amount of money before taking the first step. You don't need thousands to start building wealth. You need knowledge. You need consistency. And most importantly, you need the courage to start before you feel completely ready. Because time is your greatest asset. Every day you spend waiting is a day you could have spent learning, growing, and improving your financial future. Remember this. Wealth is not built by people who wait for the perfect moment. Wealth is built by people who begin with whatever they have and keep moving forward. So here's my question for you. If one small financial decision today could completely change your future, why not make that decision right now? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one on Mr. UB Finance Hub.